Guten Morgen.
How about Guten Tag?
Guten Tag.
What's that mean?
I don't know.
Good day.
Guten. Hey, why do you say the other one was good day then?
I told you Guten Tag. What about Guten Nacht?
Guten Nacht.
Good job.
And what does that mean?
Good night. Do you want to say, I'm hungry?
Yeah.
Ich
Ich
habe
habe
Hunger.
Hunger.
That's I have hunger. Ich habe Hunger. Try it again.
Ich habe Hunger.
Good.
Hey, it's like hunger.
It is, but it's a little softer. You just say Hunger.
Uh-huh.
Like hanger,
Hunger.
but Hunger.
Yeah, Hunger.
Good.
Ich.
Ich habe Hunger.
I said ich. I went like this. Ich.
Ich liebe dich, Nadia.
Ich liebe dich,
Aww.
Mommy.
So now how many languages do you speak? You want to help me count them?
5.
5. What are they?
So it's Spanish, something, and that's the one that Abuela taught me, and German, Japanese, and English.
I think you said English twice. What did Abuela teach you?
Abuela taught me something.
Do you remember any of the words that she taught you?
It was ipit dipit lapa. That's how you say Abuela.
Mm-hmm. So it's like a silly language?
Uh-huh. And remember you told me that sounds like it's one of the language that we make up by ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I do. I said, yeah. I think those are one of the languages, but I'm actually making one up.
Mm-hmm.
I think.
Does anyone in your school speak other languages?
All the kids speak the same languages.
What are they?
It's Japanese and Spanish, English, and...
Is that it?
No.
We know how to say things with our hands too, right?
Yeah, we did that.
What kind of things can you say with your hands? Aw, what does that mean?
That means good morning. That means good morning.
What else can you say?
Hmm.
Do you remember how we say I love you?
No.
I love you.
Wait.
I love you. Is that the letter L?
No, it's not. It's this one because it's
Yep.
going the right way.
Mm-hmm.
Ich liebe.
Dich.
I just wanted to say part of it. Ich liebe.
That's just I love. But you have to say who you love. You can say Ich liebe Fuzz.
Ich liebe Fuzz.
Ich liebe.org.
Ich liebe.org. Ich liebe Gustavo. Ich liebe Vera. Ich liebe Papi. Ich liebe. Ich liebe Jeff. Ich liebe Kari. Ich liebe Mami. Ich liebe Kaiser. Ich liebe
Abuela.
Abuela. Ich liebe Abu. Ich liebe Grandma. Ich liebe Opa.
Is there anything else you want to say before I turn the camera off?
And then
Goodbye.
I said, I
Do you remember how to say
love
goodbye?
everything. I love everything. How do you say I love everything?
I'm not sure. Do you remember how to say goodbye?
Ich liebe.
Do you remember how to say goodbye?
No.
Tschüss.
Just
Tschüssi.